back to the pack mentality. So yeah, I find myself spending a lot of time in solitude, which I love, I do, I really love it. And after spending a couple of days with family over the weekend, it's well needed just to reset and recharge. So I thought I'd take my drum down to the beach, and my pillow and my blanket. Hopefully nobody's down there and I can just drum away. And maybe I'll do a video for you guys. And if you want to listen, you can listen, and if you don't, that's fine too. This beach is called Okains Bay in the South Island on the Banks Peninsula. I live in the next bay over, Little Akaloa, in a tiny home in the forest, alongside my soul brothers and their family. And they have the same struggles with their family too. We get misunderstood, misheard. Yeah, it's frustrating sometimes. We forgive them for they know not what they do. Oh God, or do they? I don't know. Sometimes it's just. But anyway, I'm not going to dwell on any negatives today. Bring in some peace, harmony into the heart centre. Stay centered. This is the challenge. Right up to the beach. It's amazing out here, it really is. Such a massive beach. And usually there's nobody here. Hopefully I don't get stuck in the sand. I won't go too far. Just here. Look at this. No one here. And there's a really cool cave too. In here somewhere. So, yeah. I'll do a video for you guys. There are a couple of people over there in the distance. So beautiful just to have all this space to yourself. Just sit and be, which is an art most people have forgotten. How to just be. Let go of your thoughts. Tune into the sound of the ocean, which sounds like mother breathing, and just let yourself be taken away. Let all your worries be taken away. Connect to the soul, the soil of the earth, the sand, full of crystals that are charging my feet, charging my body. Oh God, it's so beautiful. Let me know in the comments what you thought of that. It's the first time I've really played it. Obviously I need some lessons. But wow, what a beautiful, beautiful instrument. I've only had it for a couple of days, but I could really feel and hear the like a vibration, like a singing. Ooh. I think it's the heart chakra, actually. This it's German. And yeah, it really opens up the space, so beautiful.